In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect your privacy online with Nordvpn. As we all know, our digital lives can sometimes feel like an open book, and taking steps to secure them is crucial. Let's dive into how you can shield your privacy using Nordvpn, a renowned tool in the digital privacy landscape. First things first, you'll want to open the Nordvpn app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head over to the Nordvpn website where you can find the download link. Once the app is installed, open it up. This is where we'll begin our journey to enhance your online safety and privacy. Now, once the app is up and running, direct your attention to the settings icon. Clicking on this will open up a menu that helps you tailor the application to your specific needs. Settings in Nordvpn are designed to be user-friendly, providing you with all the necessary options to adjust your privacy settings according to your requirements. As you navigate through the settings, locate the option for specialty servers. These servers are specially configured to provide you with a heightened level of security and privacy. Think of them as specialized tools in your online protection toolkit. Clicking here will bring up a list of various types of servers tailored for specific security needs. Once you're in the specialty servers section, look for the obfuscated servers. Obfuscated servers are a critical feature because they conceal the fact that you are using a VPN in the first place. This makes them particularly useful in regions or situations where VPN traffic might be blocked or monitored. Connecting to an obfuscated server ensures a more secure and private browsing experience, even under strict network conditions. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the Nordvpn app, adjusted the settings, and connected to an obfuscated server, boosting your online privacy. Let me share an additional tip. It's good practice to regularly refresh your VPN connection, switching servers periodically. This helps maintain an optimal and secure browsing session. By following these simple steps, you've taken a significant step towards safeguarding your digital presence. Remember, in today's digital age, protecting your privacy online isn't just an option. It's a necessity. Nordvpn is a tool you can trust to be your ally in this endeavor. Thank you for watching and learning how to protect your privacy online with Nordvpn. Stay safe online, and see you in the next video where we delve deeper into more tech-savvy tips and tricks.